Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new video from Technary.com. So we have got an interesting tech news for you. The consumer electronics and accessories brand boAt has launched a new device into the Indian market. They have launched boAt Rockerz 335 wireless neckband headphones in India. Let us have a look at the features of this device. It is having passive noise cancelling and Qualcomm low latency. These are wireless Bluetooth headphones with neckband type of design. It is having Qualcomm apx and CVC. The device has a premium build. It has driver size of 10 mm by 2. It can be used for working at home, doing exercises, traveling, etc. The device comes with a Bluetooth version 5.0 connectivity. These come with dual device pairing, so users can connect to two devices simultaneously. Also, the user can also easily switch between the two devices with a simple push of a switch. The device does support fast charging. It is able to provide 10 hours in just 10 minutes of charging the device. It is having an amazing 30 hours of playback time. Yes, it is having 30 hours of playback time. A single full charge will take around only 40 minutes as per the brand with a compatible fast charger. This battery supports ASAP fast charge technology. It is having a USB Type C port. It is also having a IPX5 rating which help them to be sweat and water resistant. It is having a price of INR 1999, so it is available at an introductory offer price of just rupees 1999. So if you want to purchase this device, kindly check out the link in the description below. Also keep watching our other reviews of products as well. Keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Kindly like this video and do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching again. Have a great day ahead.